Hello everybody, welcome to our new class, Types of Illusion. In the types of illusion, we have three types of illusion: the auditory illusion, the tactile illusion, and the optical illusion. And in that, we only need to focus on the optical illusion itself because we have to study about the optical illusion. The optical illusion is that the illusion we experience with the help of our eyes. That simply we can say that the illusion that we can see. So, when come to the optical illusion, we have another two classification of the optical illusion. One is the geometrical illusion and another one is the movement illusion. And these are the two types of optical illusion. First, we will look about the geometrical illusion. In that geometrical illusion, we have firstly Ponzo illusion. The Ponzo illusion means the illusion by the converging of two images. Take an example of this image. In this image, you can see two yellow lines. Actually, the two yellow lines are equal. The images of that two yellow lines reach our retina is same, even though we perceive one is bigger and one is smaller. Probably the line at the top perceived as the bigger one and the line at the bottom perceived as the smaller one. This illusion happened because actually we are converging an image, converging a background image to that two lines, and due to that converging image or converging background, we perceive it as the equal to that first image. Actually, that two images entirely different, but we perceive it as converging image, and we see that the lines at the longer space remain same, will perceive as the bigger one. Another one is the Poggendorf illusion. The Poggendorf illusion is a very common illusion that happens in our daily life, and this illusion is sometimes caused to the plane crashes and false landing of the aircraft. Here we have an image. In this image, you will see that the black line is continuous with the blue line. But actually, take the real image. Here, the red line is actually continuing with that black line, but we perceive blue line is continuing. This is a type of illusion, and this illusion is called the Poggendorf illusion. This illusion is happened because there is a space that covers that line. In middle portion, we can see a rectangle that covers that lines. And another one is the horizontal vertical illusion. This is a illusion that we are going to study in our lab. You can see the live example of this illusion in the laboratory. Take a look into this image. In this image, there is a vertical line and a horizontal line. In that, we perceive the vertical line is larger than the horizontal line. But actually, that both lines are equal. We perceive the vertical one is larger. This type of illusion is called the horizontal vertical illusion. It is simply because the vertical line we perceive is a single straight line, and when come to the horizontal line, the vertical line is bisecting that horizontal line in the center. So we perceive that as a two small images or one small line, and compared to the vertical line, we perceive it as a single large line. This is called the horizontal vertical illusion. Next one is the Muller layer illusion. In the Muller layer illusion, we have two equal lines. One line have inward arrows and another one have outward arrows. We perceive the line with the outward arrow is larger than the line with inward arrow. Actually, the both lines are equal in size. It is because that two areas is covered under that arrow, so we don't perceive that space. And when come to the second line, there is outward arrow, so we will perceive the full length of that line, and we are not focusing on that outward line. This illusion is called the Muller layer illusion. So we are completed the geometrical illusion and we are moving to the movement illusion. In that movement illusion, we have already studied about the five phenomena. Actually, we are seeing movies and cartoons, animated movies in our mobile phones, TV, etc. when you are familiar with the camera work or video work, you may notice the frame per second ratio of the videographs. When we take consideration of the videographs, it is not a moving images. It's simply lot of images that placed in a complete succession, and that makes us feel that image is moving. This type of illusion is called the movement illusion. We can see number of examples for the movement illusion in our day-to-day life. Finally, we have the moon illusion, but the moon illusion is not comes under to the geometrical illusion or to the movement illusion. It's became separated from both of them, but it comes under the optical illusion. The moon illusion is simply that when we perceive a moon or when we see a moon, when the moon is come to close to our horizon, we feel that moon is bigger, and when it's on the top of the sky, we feel it is small. But actually, the size of the moon will not change according to its position. But due to the illusion, we perceive the moon at the top of the sky known as a small, and at the horizon, the moon became bigger. This type of illusion is called the moon illusion. Thus, all are the types of illusion, and we will discuss about the types of illusion and its applications in the coming class.